Okay, so I'm just going to run through with you what the lessons are going to look like and how they're going to progress. So at the top here you see how to grout, that's going to be a lesson title. It's going to give you some information in here about what your lesson's about. It's also going to give you the questions for review so that you know what questions are going to be asked after the video. After you play the video completely, it's then that you're going to have the ability to see the course questions. This one here, lesson content, that's nothing, that's just showing that this is the content. But here the second one is the quiz answers, that's what you're looking for, how to grout quiz. These questions will only come up after you've completed watching the video. And then you're going to click here, start quiz. And you're going to select some of the answers. How long after grouting can you apply the membrane? I'm going to go ahead and select these. After you finish, it's going to calculate the results. And then it's told me that I've got 2 out of 3 correct at 66%, but that we need 100%, so I can click here and view questions and see which ones I've got. It's not going to tell me the answers, but it will tell me whether I got it right or not. So that one's correct. This one's correct. And then this one down here says incorrect. So I know that I have to go back and fix that. So then I'll scroll back up and I'll click go back. And then this, now I've retaken the quiz. I've reached 3 out of 3. I've got my score of 100%, and I click here to continue to the next lesson. So that's how you're going to do each lesson, and then as you go through all 23. Good luck.